Crown Prince,
Chunhua.
Where is Crown Prince? Where is Prince Yongzheng?
130,000.
160,000.
170,000.
230,000.
Mark it down. 200,000.
Yes, recorded.
300,000.
160,000.
Yinring.
Yes, father.
You are the Crown Prince. What do you think we should do?
I think we should send disaster relief right away. Repair the river levees right away.
What kind of disaster relief? How do we repair the river levee?
Well, Father, you are so wise that you must have a plan.
I do have a plan. But now what I'm asking is your plan.
Father, I request to speak.
Go ahead.
The Yellow River has always been a flood hazard. People have suffered from its flooding, regardless of dynasty and reign. But since Father's reign over the country, you've devoted yourself to flood prevention. The people hadn't worried about it for 30 years. Looking back in history, our predecessors on flood prevention are not only not as successful as you, Father, but also not as dedicated. This unforeseen Yellow River flood is not due to human errors, but a natural disaster. I understand that Father is concerned of your people, but please don't overblame yourself on this.
Brother Yinsi, don't forget the Yellow River flood in the 43rd year of Kangxi's reign.
That's exactly what I was going to say. The Yellow River flooded in the 43rd year of Kangxi's reign. The local governments exaggerated their condition to have more funds from the national treasury, which led to a large discrepancy between the reported number and the actual one of affected counties and people. Therefore, I am sure that the flood this time is not as serious as reported in the memorials to the throne.
I agree with Brother Yinsi.
Yes.
In my humble opinion, the top priorities now are no other than funding and food. Firstly, we should immediately order the nearby provinces to send over food to the affected areas. Secondly, order the Ministry of Revenue to allocate national treasury funds to repair the river levees.
Yongzheng requests to speak. Salutations to Father.
Yongzheng, why did you come this late?
Father, I was checking the National Treasury in the Ministry of Revenue and the amount of available food near the infected areas. Father, Brother Yinsi is in charge of the Ministry of Revenue. Brother Yongzheng is exceeding his authority.
Yongzheng, you heard what Yini said. What is your response?
The Ministry of Revenue is indeed managed by Brother Yinsi, but Father, you've told me to pay more attention on our state affairs. If I have suggestions, either military or civil related, I should always report to Father and Crown Prince.
Good. Then tell us about the numbers. You've checked.
I heard what Yinsi said about ordering, sending over food from the nearby provinces, and funding from the Ministry of Revenue. But from my investigation, the nearby provinces have no food left to send, and the Ministry of Revenue has almost no available funds. Now the available funds in the Ministry of Revenue is less than 500,000 taels of silver. For both disaster relief and levy repair, it is utterly inadequate. We are at least 2 million taels of silver short. Here is the list. Please have a look, Father.
Over these years, I, Xuanye, have crowned prince take over the state affairs. With the help of you princes. Now it's become this mess. And none of us had any idea. Yinreng, what do you have to say? And Yinsi, you are the prince overlooking the Ministry of Revenue. With a deficit like this, there you are talking about top priorities. And funding the repair.
I did not fulfill my duty. I deserve any punishment.
Yongzheng, what do you think?
In my humble opinion, we should appropriate 400,000 taels of silver to purchase food from the rich around the capital and send it to the affected areas to solve the most urgent problem. As for the rest, we will send imperial commissioners to the south for food funds to help the victims survive the winter and to repair the damaged levees.
The current situation of the flood is because we didn't serve the people well. We were punished by a disaster because we failed them. The royal family is tightly connected to the country. Today, the civilians were flooded. If we can't figure out what God means by this, next time, the Forbidden City will be flooded.
In the 46th year of Kangxi's reign, the Yellow River overflowed. Several levees broke in Henan and Shandong province. Countless fields and houses were flooded.
Urgent news from Henan province. Your Majesty.
Brother Yinreng, what happened?
What could possibly happen? I've been the crown prince for 30 years. It scares me to death when I see His Majesty and Yinsi's bunch are trying to set me up from time to time, and someone took all the credit behind my back. I don't feel like I'm the crown prince at all.
Brother Yinreng, it was supposed to be a reminder for you. When I went to audit the Ministry of Revenue, I didn't expect the timing to be like that. I did what I had to do. I didn't do that to take all the credit.
Yongzheng, I wasn't blaming you. Don't overthink it. You came here to ask me to persuade Father to send you to the south for disaster fundraising, right?
Brother Yinreng, do you think I should take this job or not?
If you're not fully confident, then don't. How are you going to raise 2 million taels of silver? Even if you manage to do so, you will be on the blacklist of a lot of people. Yongzheng, you're on my side. After all, if you mess this up, how am I supposed to protect you?
Crown Prince, the victims are hopeless in face of the devastating flood. It's directly related to the solidarity of the Qing dynasty. As a prince, I'm willing to take some burden off of Father and off of you, Crown Prince.
Fine.
The country is above all.
Fine, I'll talk to Father.
Porridge. Porridge. It's porridge. Hurry up, move.
Hurry up and move.
Hurry up and move.
Sir, I'm selling myself for money. All I need is some money for a coffin, so that I can bury my mother. I'm begging you.
Deal. Come. Go carry the coffin.
Okay.
Mom! Mom, Mom! Mom! Let's go, hurry.
Follow up, follow up. Hurry up. Move those over. Move those over there.
Okay.
Hurry.
Come on, over here.
Hurry, hurry up.
Watch your steps.
Here, watch your steps.
Yinxiang, is this the pier for salt trade?
Yeah, this is the pier for salt trade.
Hurry up!
You guys follow us.
Yes, Your Highness.
Mister, show some mercy. I'm selling myself for money
Brother Yongzheng, look.
to bury my brother. Misters, thank you. Thank you, Mister. Mister, please.
Here you go, kid.
Here you go.
Thank you, thank you. Every son of yours will rank top in the exams. Every daughter will marry someone powerful.
All mouth and no trousers. With all those important government officials, who's paying to raise them?
I will. I will pay.
You barely have a pair of trousers.
Exactly.
Show some mercy. Mister, show some mercy. Please spare me some change. Spare me some change. Misters, thank you. Thank you.
It hurts. Which blind brat dropped cigarette ash on me?
Can we slipped? Run. Run.
It's a scam!
They are cons.
Get those scammers. Don't let them run away.
Nian Gengyao greets Prince Yingzhen and Prince Yinxiang.
At ease.
Yes, Your Highness.
How do you know that we will come through this road?
I have worked for Prince Yingzhen for so many years that I can figure out what he is thinking. My guess is that Your Highness will go through the Yellow River flood hazard area with few attendants. That's why I'm not wearing official uniforms. I have been waiting for you for 2 days with 2 other people.
New clothes are better, but we prefer old acquaintances. Old acquaintances are people like him. Geng Yao, how's it going? How is working with Lieutenant Han? As a sergeant?
Wherever I am. It's never as comfortable as working for Your Highness.
Look at you. How honey-tongued you are. You want to go back to the capital with us, right?
It is indeed my wish, but I refrain from requesting so.
Okay. For now, attend me and Prince Yinxiang to work on fundraising for the flood. We will think of something after this.
Yes, Your Highness.
Get on the horse. Go.
What do you want?
You promised. You promised to sell it for 1 tael. You can't go back on it.
1 tael. That was the price yesterday. I changed my mind today. Get lost. Go away.
You.
Mister,
What are you doing? Go away.
please show some mercy. Let them buy me out of here.
Show mercy. Who pays me for it? No money, then get lost. Go away.
Let go.
Mister?
You brazen bastard.
Move, move.
Mister?
You want to fight?
You thought you could buy a girl for just some wood boards? I'll fight with my life today.
Let go!
I'll fight you.
Screw you. You rascal.
I'll kill you, come on. I'll fight for as long as you want.
Fine.
Fine.
There's no escape for
Come
you.
on, scoundrel. I'll kill you.
Fine.
I'll kill you.
You rascal.
Come on.
I'll kill you.
Geng Yao, go help them out.
Yes, Your Highness.
You brat, I'll beat you to death. I'll kill you.
Get up. Get up.
What do you want? Get lost!
How dare you publicly force the girls to be prostitutes? Let the girls go.
Nice. Well done. Good for you. Nicely done. Do you know who bought these girls?
Who bought them?
The magistrate of Yangzhou Prefecture, Lord Qiming. He bought them as private prostitutes for Lord Renboan, Salt Trade Inspector of the South. Let them go. If you dare, go.
You said these girls are a gift bought by Ming to be private prostitutes for Renboan.
What, you don't believe me? Come with me to the Yangzhou Prefecture Tribunal if you dare.
Good. I was just about to go there.
That's the guy who gave us money.
Yeah.
Seems like he's not a bad buy.
Let's do it.
I'll bet on him. Go beg him. Please, mister. Mister! Please let my sister go.
Yeah.
If you do so, every son of yours will rank top in the exams.
Every daughter will marry someone powerful. Right? Tie them up too.
Yes, Your Highness.
Bring them all.
Mister!
Move.
Brother Yinsi, news from the south. Our people waited for quite a few days. Brother Yinzhen and his people never arrived.
A secret message from the south. Just said they disappeared. Right after they arrived in Jiangsu.
There's no way to track them down at all? It's possible that they headed straight to Brother Yintang's Yangzhou Prefecture.
It seems like Yinzhen has his eyes on our off-book funds. If we don't inform Renboan in time, we could lose a lot.
Brother Yinsi, most of the rich salt merchants are under control of Renboan. Who is Renboan under control of? You and Brother Yinteng? If you say the word, and give him a message. To keep his mouth shut, there's nothing Yinzhen and Yinxiang could do.
Losing money is nothing. Brother Yinsi, now Yinzhen and Yinxiang are not only serving Crown Prince well, but also taking all the credits. Then what would Father think? Wouldn't we all look inadequate?
So, in your opinion?
Opinion or not. Either way, we can't let Yinxiang take all the credits.
Then how will those victims go through the winter?
Brother Yinsi.
Brother Yinsi, stop being so kind. We can't have those rats lord it over us just because of those victims.
That's right. Brother Yinteng, I'll set up ink and pen for you, and you can write to Renboan.
Brother Yintang, Brother Yine. It's hot today. Have some chilled watermelon. Here.
It's fine.
To write a letter. But send someone you definitely trust to deliver it as soon as possible. Be very careful to not have anything happen.
Lord Ren, it's been days. Why aren't they here yet?
My lord.
What happened? Such a hurry?
The Imperial Commissioner has arrived. He's waiting for you all at the lobby.
What did I say? He would be here any time.
Hurry up! Have the sedan chair ready? Hurry!
Get up!
Thank you, Your Highness.
You are Renboan, Salt Trade Inspector of the South?
Your Highness, I am Renboan.
You look familiar.
Your Highness are wise. I used to work at the tribunal of the Ministry of Personnel.
That means you've been working for the country for a long time now. This time, Prince Yinxiang and I are under His Majesty's order to fundraise in Yangzhou Prefecture to feed the victims We're relying on you all to be the liaison between His Majesty and the people and assist our work here.
At your service, Prince Yingzhen and Prince Yinxiang.
I don't like what you're implying. What do you mean by at your service? You work for the imperial court. You should only be at the country's service and not gang up or form cliques under the table. As long as you put the imperial court as the priority, then you can work with integrity and righteousness. Then you will be a good official, well worth the respect. Am I right?
Prince Yingzhen speaks the truth of justice. No one would dare to disagree.
It's one thing whether you dare to disagree, but it's another thing whether you follow it or not. I'm putting the words out here. For those who say one thing, but do another, I have the authority to punish them without asking beforehand. Cheming.
Yes, Your Highness.
The county magistrate working under you, Tian Wenjing. Why isn't he here?
Tian Wenjing has been suspended from his duties for his incompetency to govern the area.
But from what I've learned, over the 3 years of his governance, the revenue, income, and food ranked top of the prefecture every year. And he also showed justice when judging crimes and litigation. Why did you say that he is incompetent in governing?
Your Highness, over the 3 years of his governance, he had made some achievements, but he was biased and caused many complaints.
I wonder what the complaints are.
It is said that Tian Wenjing judges a lawsuit, not by who's right or wrong, but by who has money.
So, he is corrupted?
Not really.
I'll finish the sentence for you. When Tian Wenjing judges a lawsuit, the rich lose to the poor. Those who have more lose to those with less, right?
It is what they say.
Cheming. Is there a dispute between Tian Wenjing and you?
Your Highness, though I'm not very competent, I wouldn't take personal revenge. Besides, I have always been cautious, so I'm not afraid of any dispute. If Your Highness don't believe me, all of my colleagues in Yangzhou Prefecture are here. Your Highness.
What?
You may ask them.
Lord Che has always been righteous. We have all seen it.
Righteous. And on the civilian side? It seems like I have to recommend you.
Bring them up. Move. On your knees.
Please forgive me. I was such a fool to not recognize the Imperial Commissioner. Please forgive me.
Mr. Che.
Yes?
Do you still plan on sending the girls to Mr. Ren?
No, I'll send them back home right away.
Mr. Ren?
Yes.
These are a gift to you.
I was not aware of what Mr. Che did. Your Highness, please judge wisely.
Lord Ren indeed was unaware of this.
Unaware?
I've been busy with the recovery and the victim's relocation. I couldn't spare any thoughts on things like this. They were just making things worse. I'm not related to it. They are at Your Highness's disposal.
Mr. Che?
Yes? Yes.
Since you're so generous, I would like to borrow something from you. I wonder if you'd give them to me.
Absolutely. As long as I have them, I'll give you whatever you want.
I would like to borrow your official uniform and cap.
Well, Your Highness.
What? You're not willing to?
Your Highness, the uniform and cap are given by the Imperial Court. How can I lend them out?
Didn't you lend out Tian Wenjing's official uniform and cap?
Well?
Then, what does it matter? To lend yours to Tian Wenjing?
Your Highness.
Are you going to lend them out or not?
If you are to take our lives, then you are entitled to do so by the Imperial Court. But you are so reckless. I'm afraid I can't play by your rules. I'll take my leave.
Hold on.
Your Highness, look. It's right ahead. It took me quite some effort to track down Mr. Wu. Your Highness, this way. This way.
Here.
Are you trying to burn me?
Don't move, the doctor said. It's because you were held in prison for so long. The humidity there hurt your legs. The medicine only works with hotter water. Come on.
She is Qiu Yue? I haven't seen her for years. And she has grown into an adult? Why would you have your little sister serve Mr. Wu?
Your Highness, since he is hired to teach your kid, I should also serve him as well. Then it's reasonable to have Qiu Yue attend him. But he is too quirky. He is known for his talent. But if he's too strange, I'm afraid. When do your Highness plan to meet him?
I won't meet him here. Make an arrangement to send him over to my mansion in Beijing soon. I'll meet him in Beijing. After my job here is done, Geng Yao, tell Qiu Yue to serve Mr. Wu well on the way.
Yes, Your Highness.
Hurry up. Come on.
Watch your steps.
Mister, I've missed you much.
Cui Hua?
What took you so long come here?
Lan Lan is over there.
Here, please head upstairs. Hurry, go upstairs.
Cui, come on down.
I'm coming.
Hong, I've missed you so much.
Mr. Zhang.
Why don't you come with me?
Good girl. Here's a note for 500 taels.
Have a seat. Brother?
Yes, brother.
How's it going? Is the money ready to be sent to Prince Yintang?
Everything is ready. Please rest assured.
I'll donate 200 taels of silver.
Everything is ready. You all have to remember, the imperial court is on our side. Prince Yintang. And Prince Yinzi too. As for the rest, they're nothing but this.
Tian Wenjing, now that I've reinstated you, do you still dare to speak for the civilians by offending colleagues and landowners?
I would die if I have to, as long as I can benefit the country. What's there to be afraid of?
Tian Wenjing, this used to be Che Ming's uniform. Now you can have it. I'm naming you the magistrate of Yangzhou Prefecture and the imperial official for fundraising and food purchasing. You're in full charge of fundraising and food purchasing.
Free porridge. Here.
Here you go. Here.
Old man, take the porridge.
Hurry and take the porridge. Take the porridge.
Old man, hurry. Carry him over.
Shui, get us some hot water. Hurry. Ken, the three of us met some nice people today. Whatever it takes, we have to repay them.
I know. That mister gave you a good name. It's called Li Wei.
Yours is good too. You got the name Gaofu. Interesting, Gaofu.
Yes, Your Highness. Yes, Your Highness.
Hurry up, Chui. 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 Hurry.
On my way.
You're so slow.
Hurry up.
All I know is that the two of you, one is called troublesome and the other is bothersome. That's what I'm gonna call you.
His Highness is back.
If you don't like it, then I'm out.
Li Wei Gaofu, don't go. His Highness is back asking for you.
They're calling you.
Hurry! Clothes!
Come on.
Hurry, both of you. On our way.
I was called too?
And me.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
There you go.
Hurry up! On my way.
Mr. Li, how's the victim's recovery going?
Lord Chaming said, these victims came from Henan and Shandong province. Yangzhou prefecture is not responsible for them. If we give out too much porridge, all the victims nearby would come here. We can't afford to feed all of them.
So you're going to watch them starve to death? Is this even porridge? Add 5 more porridge kitchens starting tomorrow.
Well, 5.
Listen up. Give 2 meals a day. The porridge needs to be thick enough with no excess water. Once cold, it's able to be held in hand. You'll be responsible if anyone else starves to death.
Yes, Your Highness.
You all go back to your county. Raise 1,000 picles of food in 10 days for the prefecture barns. You all know my position is borrowed temporarily. If any one of you wants to risk your position, I'm always willing to fight.
Prince Yinxiang, Prince Yinzhen. Greetings to Prince Yinzhen and Prince Yinxiang. I ran around the city boundary. There are 5 new porridge kitchens. They have been cooking since morning. All the victims who had the porridge were saying the two of you are their saviors.
I didn't expect Tian Wenjing to get the work done so well. Li Wei, take the pastries with you and have them. They're yours now. Eat them.
Wash your hands well next time. Dismissed.
Yes, Your Highness.
By the way, Li Wei, don't yell when you report to us next time. This isn't the street.
There's a place and time.
Yes, Your Highness. Yes, Your Highness.
Dismissed.
Brother Yinzhen, do you think this is the right way? If the news gets out about Yangzhou Prefecture adding porridge kitchens with 2 meals a day, the victims from the nearby prefectures will all come here. What do we do then?
Yinxiang, just you wait. This is what I am waiting for.
Lord Tian.
Secret message from Imperial Commissioner Prince Yinzhen.
You did a good job. It won't be easy to raise money from the rich merchants. I know it'll be hard for you. If you can't raise money on your own, why not bring more people with you? Bring more people with me? Okay. Pass my order.
Let's hurry up. Be careful. Okay.
This way.
Hold them well. Don't drop them.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Over here.
Right over here.
Come over here.
Okay, hurry and hang them up.
Careful, watch your steps.
Officers, what are you doing?
Your master is so kind and generous. This is a reward from Lord Tian of Yangzhou Prefecture. Listen up. This is a reward from His Highness.
Okay.
Don't take it down without his permission. Did you hear me?
Let's go.
Next stop, number 7, Shuchaifang Road.
Okay.
Mr. Huang Zhenguang's house.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Go, tell them to open the gate. But tell them to only go to houses with lanterns, saying grant all requests, and not harass small families. Am I clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
There's a lantern hanging. There's a lantern hanging. Look. Folks, here as well. Here as well.
How was it?
Your Highness, This morning, as soon as the gate was opened, victims flooded in the city without stopping. I'm afraid that they will cause trouble.
It'll be fine, Gengyao.
Brother Yongzheng, I think we have to be cautious.
Gengyao, dispatch more soldiers. From your camp, patrol more often. Remember, as long as they don't rob, kill, or set fire, let them be. Gengyao, dispatch some soldiers to guard all the junctures to Yangzhou Prefecture. If anything gets out, you'll be responsible for it.
Yes, Your Highness.
Let's go. We're going to Tianwenjing.
Yinzhen's people are encouraging the victims to go in the city. According to Renboan, their houses will be robbed sooner or later. What should we do? Say something.
Brother Tang, you lose rationality. When you're involved, think about it. If the victims rob all the money from the salt merchants, how will Brother Yongzheng pay for levy repair? How will he pay for disaster recovery? Besides, with 2 imperial commissioners in Yangzhou Prefecture, the victims have started a riot. Doesn't that mean they have screwed up their job?
Makes sense. Brother Yinzi, you're so wise. I'll write back to Renboan now and tell them to sit tight and irritate him.
Don't move.
To sit tight? It seems like Yinzi and Yintang are trying to leave us stuck here so that we won't return to Beijing.
No wonder Brother Yinzi and Yintang are always generous about money. Turns out the salt merchants in the south send them so much money every year. Brother Yongzheng, he wants to sit tight. Then we'll have him walk right into our trap.
With this letter, I'm sure Renboan has to comply.
The Imperial Commissioners arrived. The Imperial Commissioners arrived.
Hurry! Hurry up!
Hurry up, hurry! On your knees. Hurry, quick.
Renboan, with local salt dealers, greets the Imperial Commissioners.
Mr. Ren, we finally meet again. It's been a while. It's on me today.
What's going on?
Everyone, what are you standing for? Have a seat. Have a seat. Come on.
It's a huge honor to us all to attend the Imperial Commissioner's banquet. Come on, have a seat. Everyone, take a seat.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Everyone, we invited you all here today to show our appreciation. Thank you for putting yourselves in the victim's shoes and in the imperial court's shoes. Every one of you donated money. Prince Yinxiang and I are both happy and concerned. We're happy that someone finally donated. We're concerned that the money you donated is not even enough for one bowl of porridge for each victim. I still have to thank you all